Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Ever wondered what the deal is with strong AI versus weak AI? Well, stick around because I'm about to break it down for you in just 2 minutes. First up, weak AI. This is the type of artificial intelligence we interact with daily. Think Siri, Alexa, or even your spam filter. Weak AI or narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks. It can beat you at chess, recommend your next Netflix binge, or even drive your car. But don't be fooled, it doesn't understand or learn beyond its given task. It's smart, but only in a narrow sense. Now let's talk about the big league, strong AI. Also known as artificial general intelligence, this is the kind of AI you see in sci-fi movies. We're talking about machines that think, learn, and understand like a human. Picture an AI that can write poetry, solve complex mathematical problems, and understand emotions. Strong AI would be self-aware and capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can. It's like having a super smart friend that never sleeps. So, what's the current state of play? As of today, all the AI we have is weak AI. Despite the hype, strong AI is still a concept, something researchers are working towards. It's an exciting frontier with endless possibilities, but we're not there yet. Why does this matter? Understanding the difference helps us set realistic expectations. Weak AI is great and makes our lives easier, but it's not going to take over the world anytime soon. Strong AI, on the other hand, could revolutionize everything, but it's still a work in progress. So, there you have it. Strong AI versus weak AI in a nutshell. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. And don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring.